Good morning, one and all. Myself Arvind Kumar Vishwakarma, and we are going to solve rational numbers exercise 1.1 of NCERT textbook. So here, first question is using appropriate properties find, and one expression is given. Now here we have to use properties, means we already learned that we have closure, associative, commutative, distributive, all these properties, and we have to use whatever property is applicable here. Okay, so its solution will be, I am only giving first part, second part you have to do it for yourself. Okay, so first part is minus 2 over 3 times 3 over 5 plus 5 over 2 minus 3 over 5 times 1 over 6. Here we can see that this expression has 3 terms. In the first term, 2 rational numbers are multiplied, then 1 rational number is added, and after that subtraction, what is subtracted here? 2 rational number after multiplication. Okay, so here we can see this part 3 over 5 and 3 over 5. It is in both the terms, so we need to bring it here. For that we need to commute this and this term, but here we have studied that rational numbers are commutative. So how can we be sure that this expression is a rational number? Here this term is a rational number or not? We arrive at this using closure property. Means in closure property, when 2 rational numbers are multiplied, the result is always a rational number. So this whole expression here, this term can be considered as a rational number. And here we have also a rational number, so we can commute these two. Okay, so it is equal to minus 3 over 5 times 1 over 6 plus 5 over 2, and we will write here using commutativity of addition. Okay, and so here we have these two terms, and this one is can be taken common. So minus 3 over 5 we take common, what we get in the bracket? 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6, here plus 5 over 2 as it is. And now here we use distributive property, so we have to write it distributive property. Okay, because when we multiplied it using distributive property, we will arrive at this expression from here to here. Okay, so you can cross check. So this expression can be written as this one, and this can be written as this one, and after that we need to solve it using usual method. You know how to add two rational numbers? Six is the LCM. Here 2 times 2 4 1. Okay, and we will further solve it just like we always do. It is 5 over 6 times minus 3 over 5 plus 5 over 2. Here the idea behind this question is, whenever possible we have to use the properties. Okay, this will make our calculation much simpler. Here we get minus 1 over 2 plus 5 over 2, and this will give minus 1 plus 5 over 2, that is equal to 4 over 2. That means it is equal to 2. Okay, thank you.